Good morning. So today we are going to discuss about the angina and anti-anginal drugs. Now, whenever we are talking about the coronary heart disease, what does it mean by this coronary heart disease? It is nothing but the mismatch between myocardial oxygen supply and demand. What does it mean? For example, heart is a organ which is responsible for the supply of blood throughout the body, and through the blood they are transporting the oxygen, they are transporting the nutrient, etc. Now the heart, after pumping the blood itself, supplying the blood to the different heart muscle. So coronary arteries, they are present into the surface of the heart and supply the oxygen rich blood to the coronary muscles or the heart muscles. So after pumping the blood, the coronary arteries, they will carry the oxygen rich blood to the surface of the heart or the heart muscle. Now veins of the heart takes the oxygen poor blood away. Again, this is the normal things. Now if there is a problem into the coronary artery disease, then uh, we can develop, it can able to develop that angina pectoris, ischemic heart disease, etc. Now what we are telling that if the coronary arteries are clear, then blood it will flow easily, there is no problem, the blood it will flow easily. But if the coronary artery blocked, that if the coronary artery is blocked, that means what? That means the oxygen rich blood will not, you can say that, take the able to take the oxygen to the cardiac muscle. So that particular situation, it will known as the coronary artery disease. That means coronary artery is blocked, so heart muscle is not getting the blood, and as a result that there is a development of the different diseases. So that is known as a coronary artery diseases. Now, or coronary heart diseases. Now, here, majorly whenever we are talking about the coronary artery disease, first one is the ischemic heart disease. Now, what is meant by the ischemic heart disease? So, this is the coronary artery which is supplying the blood. This is the coronary artery which is supplying the blood to the surface of the heart or the heart muscle. Now, if there is a blockade into the artery, then if the artery is blocked, then what will happen? The oxygen, it will not reach to the heart muscles. Let there is oxygen, it will not reach to the heart muscle. For example, if there is a blockade into that particular area, that means this particular area and this particular area, in this particular area oxygen it will not reach, other area oxygen it will reach, but as the you can say this spasm or the blockade into the particular area, so this area of the heart they will not get the oxygen. As a result, it will cause the muscle damage. It will cause the muscle damage. So that is known as the ischemic heart disease or the heart attack. Now another type, that is the angina pectoris. In angina pectoris, what will happen? There is a blockade, but it is not the complete blockade. There is a blockade. That means there is not complete blockade. That means this artery, the narrowness of the artery is due to the sperm. Due to the sperm or the deposition of the lipid. Deposition of the lipid. So there is a the narrow opening for the blood. So what will happen? Oxygen demand and oxygen supply. Clear? Oxygen demand is more, but oxygen supply is less. Oxygen supply in the midst of the blood supply, because blood carries the oxygen. So they require, these muscles require the more oxygen, but the supply of the blood is less. So oxygen supply also it is less, and this it will lead to the myocardial metabolism, anaerobic metabolism it will cause, and as a result it will cause the pain. Clear? So in the angina pectoris it will cause the pain, but in case of the heart attack there is the complete blockage of the artery. So this is the major difference. Now whenever we are talking about the angina, there is a majorly we are categorized the angina into the three types. One is the stable angina, unstable angina, and variant angina. Now what will happen if you see about this one or this one? This is the normal coronary artery. Clear? Normal coronary artery is there. Now, if there is a plug formation, these are called the plug or the lipid plug. Clear? If this is called the plug. Now, if there is a plug formation, then what will happen? There is a narrowness of the opening. Clear? Narrowness of the opening. So, opening size. Clear? Through which blood it is flowing. Through opening side, through which blood it is flowing, it will be reduced. So, what will happen in that case? In case of the stable angina, again the blood supply it will be there, but it is less than the requirement. But these plaques are the stable in nature. These plaques are the stable in nature, so you can say that that is known as a stable angina. In case of the unstable angina, it is more dangerous. Uh, we can say that because these plaques are not stable in nature. These plaques are not stable in nature. So what will happen? If there is a certainly, if there is, you can say that the plaques is get break, and it will, if the plaques is break, what will happen? It will just, you can cause the blockade of the blood supply, clear, blockade of the blood supply, and there the platelets it will come, again there is the thrombosis it will be there, so they will be block the complete blockage if the plaques is ruptured, in case of the rupturing of the plaque. So that is we are talking as the unstable angina. So in that case plaques can be ruptured. In case of the variant angina, there is a spump. Clear? There is a nothing but the coronary spump. So in other cases, this pain it may be happen whenever the patient is working physical exercise, when the oxygen demand is more, that time it may be happen. But in case of the variant angina, when the patient is into the uh, rest, but in case of like cold and all, these are the things. In that case, also variant angina can be occurred because that is due to the coronary spump. So that is about the three different types of the angina pectoris. So in the next part, we are going to discuss about the anti-anginal drug.